Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased state. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Brain Defender. So Brain Defender is basically an online supplement cap tool that has its separate website that is named at braindefender.org. So this is, according to their bold claim, is the #1 formula for memory support, and it is kind of dietary supplement that is designed to enhance your cognitive function, improve your memory, and even boost your focus. And according to their claim, they have claimed that this is actually based on natural ingredients, like all the ingredients that are included in this product are actually beneficial for your overall brain health. And they have also made a claim of that it is being recognized by the FDA. Now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have claimed that it is available on FDA, and if you try to search for it on the Google Play Store, if Brain Defender is approved from FDA, you will see that this is not actually approved by FDA. So this is a major red flag. Now let's dive in a little bit more. As you can see, this product is also available on Amazon, which is a slightly green signal because being available on Amazon actually passes through a variety of safety checks. And as you can see that it has a 3.8 rating out of 5 star, which is based on 8 reviews. So in conclusion, I would say you can buy this product, but you should not buy this without consulting with your doctor and telling them about the list of ingredients that are included in this product. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.